Would you like to COVID-proof your lungs? Now, what I'm not offering is vaccinations or anything like that. I am not a medical doctor, but what I am is an energy healer. So in this episode of the Energy Healing Podcast, we're going to look at what you can do to remove the blockages to your lung immunity and to strengthen them. You're watching the Energy Healing Podcast. My name is Haroon Rabbani. I am an energy healer. I also train and certify other professionals to become certified energy healers. The lungs are clearly vital to your existence. You breathe in oxygen, you let go of carbon dioxide. In Chinese medicine, they talk about the 5 elements, which is water, wood, fire, earth, and metal. The lungs are metal energy organs. It's all about releasing and letting go. What are you letting go of? Well, on the physical level, you're letting go of carbon dioxide. On the emotional level, the lungs are associated with sadness and grief. If you're holding on to sadness and grief, whether it be from yesterday or from 20-30 years ago, and you haven't let go, you are compromising your lung function. End of story. That's according to Chinese medicine. How do you strengthen them? Well, first of all, work through the grief. Work through the sadness. How do you do that? I recommend you turn to a counselor, at the very least, someone to talk to. That's one way to work on it. But if you really want to go and get it healed, turn to a therapist or a healer, somebody who really knows how to work with your emotions at a deep and profound level. So letting go is critical because that's the only real option you have of dealing with your emotions. The other one, of course, is to hold on to them and make your lungs weaker. The main exercise I want to talk about and share with you today is a pranayama breathing technique. Now, if you haven't watched my pranayama video, click the link below and there should be something up there. Click that and you'll be able to watch more about pranayama. So in this session, we're going to be talking about one particular technique, which is called the Brahmari technique. This involves breathing in through your nose and breathing out through your mouth with a humming sound, a bit like a om. And so your humming sound is going to sound like a bee. But before you do that, first of all, you place your fingers, either your index finger or your middle finger, into your ears, so you're keeping the vibration of the sound within this particular region of your body and letting as little escape as possible. Here's how you do it. So breathing in and breathing out is one round. You want to do this for at least 5 rounds. The longer your in-breath and out-breath, and you want to make them approximately the same, the better. Don't force it, and I strongly recommend you practice this first thing in the morning and last thing at night. And if you can, it only takes 5 minutes. Do this exercise 2 or 3 times a day. You can do it in so many places where nobody will even notice you're doing it. Breathing correctly is absolutely vital. You see, one of the things you will do as a result of pranayama is produce nitric oxide during your breath work. Nitric oxide is produced by nearly every type of cell in the human body and one of the most important molecules for blood vessel health. It is a vasodilator, meaning it relaxes the inner muscles of your blood vessels, causing the vessels to widen. In this way, nitric oxide increases blood flow and lowers blood pressure. And so, practicing Brahmari pranayama, you end up increasing the capacity of blood to flow through your lungs and therefore take up more oxygen and release carbon dioxide far more effectively and efficiently. So, preferably putting your fingers to your ears and breathing in. And you'll feel the quiver on your lips, so you know you're doing it right. Please practice this technique. You know, coronavirus has destroyed many lives. Actually, it's destroyed more people psychologically than actually physically. And it's taken, obviously, loads of lives as well. Use this practice rather than find all the scientific research. There is some out there. and there'll be more in the future. Just practice it, because it will improve so many conditions of your body, not just your lungs, all your different organs, simply by practicing this technique. I hope this video has been useful for you. If it has, please make sure you hit the like button and feel free to share this video so that other people can benefit like you are. Thanks for watching.